Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID on the following device. At first you have to open your phone dialer, then tap on the More icon and go to the settings. Here you will notice supplementary services, just mark it, wait a couple of seconds, and click on Show Caller ID. And as you can see, you can pick either network default, you can hide number if you would like to hide it, or show number always, no matter what network defaults are, but I will pick hide number, and from now on it will be hidden. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.